another video. So this is a bag that I got off of Amazon, the clear PVC handbag in purple. And I got it because, remember the haul that I did, the Texas haul, and I got the, let me see, the purple slides from Old Navy for $2.50. And I thought they will go great with the bag. So I was on Amazon and I saw this clear PVC handbag, and I've been seeing it on Instagram as well, and I was like, let me go ahead and grab it because I got the shoes and it matched so perfectly. So here it is. Let me guys show you the bag. This is the front, this is the back, the side, and the other side, and then it comes with like a crossbody strap. So this is how you can hold it. And on the front I have my bunny ears poof ball, and then I have my hand sanitizer holder, the mermaid what is it, hand sanitizer, yeah. And it's cute, guys. I didn't even know this lights up. Look, check this out. Look, how cute is that? So it lights up. I didn't even know that. And I was like, what is this button one day? And I pushed it. And I was like, oh my God, it lights up. So it'll be cute at night when I'm coming in the house. You know, you can't see or whatever, whatnot. You could just light that up. So let's get inside the bag. This is how you open it. You turn it. You take. Really, I don't hold it. I don't really carry the bag like with the straps in because it's kind of a hassle to get it in and out, but this is how I carry it. I just hold it top handle, and then I'll just turn this lock so it doesn't, you know, flap open. So this is how I carry it. So let's get inside the bag. Here it is. Here's an overview. So the first thing I have is my 6-ring key holder. You guys know I got this in Dallas, Texas recently. I love it. I have my car keys, my hearts, my initials, and then I have a wristlet. You guys know that I always carry a wristlet on my key clays and my key holders. So yeah, that's that. And the next thing I have is my monogram key clay. This has all my cards, my insurance cards, gift cards, Costco cards, things like that. So here it is. And next I have my card holder from Louis Vuitton, also in monogram. I guess this is a monogram party. I didn't realize that I had everything monogram in my bag. So I have the card holder, and then I just have some cash. It has one compartment here, and then one here, and then one. I double up, so I have my AAA and my ID right there. And then I have my round crumb purse from Louis Vuitton. I love this piece. This is also a monogram. I love it. I think they only make it in monogram. And I just have my change, as you guys can see. I love this piece. This is like my favorite piece. This is like in every handbag that I carry. And I have my pochette, my mini pochette. I love this thing. I had this for a while as well. It's also a monogram. It's made in France. It's kind of old. It has like water spots and everything. So what I have in here, you guys can see I have some olive Let me see if it's turned upside. I have some Aleve. I have some hand wipes. I have my Chanel compact mirror. I have my Nivea cream. I have my floss. I have a feminine wipe. I have some lip balm. And I have some Listerine and a Louis Vuitton perfume sample. And it's empty. That's all I have in there. And last but not least, I have my cell phone. So this is the bag empty. I really, 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 really love this bag. It is so cute. It's like mini, because you guys know I want to get the Alma BB. So this is kind of like up my alley, like the mini bags. You know, I'm into the mini bags now. I'm not really carrying like big bags at the moment, but here it is. I love it. It's so cute. So thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.